Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, Daimon, let's go! Okay, so we have here from Marvel Legends, Build-A-Figure Blackheart Wave, Daimon Hellstrom. And it's from Marvel Strange Tales series for 4 years old and up, from Hasbro. And you can see from the window, the figure. Okay. On the left side, we see an illustration of Daimon Hellstrom. On the other side, another illustration, separate, different. And on the back, we see a brief description that Daimon Hellstrom is half human and half demon. Daimon Hellstrom uses his mystical powers and knowledge of occult lore to defend humanity. So he's a good demon, okay, or half demon. I don't know how that happens. Maybe the demon forced himself to the human. I would love to think. Okay, and this is part of a Blackheart Build-A-Figure wave. We actually don't have any of the figures, so it's our first one, Daimon Hellstrom. But we also would like to get possibly Weapon of Vengeance, Helverine, and if we can buy a Blackheart figure as well. Okay, I imagine this will be very expensive. So you can see this is what we call K-buff, kinuha ang buff. So the buff figure, the Build-A-Figure piece is not included, but that's fine because we're not getting all of them anyway. So we only target a few. But before we look into this, of course, this is a Heroclix channel. So we're gonna look at Daimon Hellstrom figure. Okay, so we only have, I think, a couple of figures, one from the Golden Age or Silver Age, and then one, of course, retired also, so also from Silver Age. There is a Prime version of this, but I don't have that figure, so we're only looking at Daimon Hellstrom from the Wheels of Vengeance, set 29A. Oh, I just noticed this now. The line, okay? Lack of paint. 29A, he has the Mystics, Team Ability, and Defenders, God Squad, Legion of Monsters, Midnight Suns, Detective, Mystical Keywords. Netaranium Trident is the special attack power. Blades, Claws, Fangs, Giant Reach 2. Okay, when Daimon Hailstorm hits after resolutions, you will generate a Fire Smoke terrain marker in a hit target square at the beginning of your next turn. Even if this is lost, deal 1 damage to each character occupying that marker, then remove that marker. Okay, 80 or 40 points. He also has a special defense power, Expert in Exorcism, Outwit. When Daimon Hellstrom uses it, you may roll a d6, 1 to 2. This use of Outwit has no effect. That's a bummer. And 3 to 6, until your next turn, the targeted character can't use standard powers unless they are displayed on their dial, in addition to the chosen power that you outwitted. Okay, so a bit risky, but it's worth the risk, I guess, especially if you're outwitting a high-costed figure. Real name is Daimon Hellstrom, Avengers 22. 2019 is a significant appearance at 80 points. 8 charge with a special attack and damage power. No reducer, only senses. And then at 40 points, facing teleport. And with energy shield deflection. 5 range. Single target. I don't know. Maybe 40 points only. Just to get access to that special outwit. Okay, but probably a big no to play. Okay, I don't know if I played this during the time it was modern. I feel like I didn't. Okay, so it's one of those figures that just simply rotated out of obscurity. So you can see the trident here. I would have loved the trident if it was flaming, just like this one. But it is what it is. So let's see. There's no tape anymore. Let's see the figure, the Marvel Legends. It's been a while since we unboxed a Marvel Legends figure. We're not so keen on the on keeping the boxes. Okay, so we're gonna throw them out because we don't have space. And let's pop off Daimon. And then the trident. So I really love figures that have accessories like trident or weapon because it adds a lot of flavor to them. Okay, so Daimon, okay, he lacks sleep with that eye bag, okay, pointy ears, and that, how do you know how you call that? Okay, so, okay, tight joints, okay, a couple of alternate hands, closed fist, and then, okay, I love the fit. It's very rare to have like brown fit figures of X-Men, so I love that. Okay, so a lot of uh, movement. Let's pose him like this with his trident on the right hand, left hand rather. Okay, non-flaming. Okay, then standing proudly like a half demon, half elf, half human. Okay, half elf. And then of course the other one. Okay, let's flex his muscle a little. Okay, so that's Daimon Hellstrom. Okay, comparing them side by side. Okay, the color of the pentagram should be like orange, and that's also a bummer. Left side, back, right side, and that's it. Let's see if it stands. And I hope he does because I like this figure actually. And come on, Daimon. There you go. He stands. And that's the clicks. And that's the video. Bye.